thrift shop day. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going thrift shopping. It is that day of the month for me. I try and go once a month or every 6 weeks. I have projects that need some items. I have some DIY ideas. You know I love a good thrift. You cannot go thrift shopping smartly without a tape measure. So here we are in the frame section. These caught my eye, they're really cute. I don't have a project in mind, but they're awesome. But this did catch my eye. Now this frame is really pretty. I need to get it out, I need to measure it. Now the book section is always a favorite. I do like to spend some time going through, checking the covers, seeing what colors I can find. You never know, some days you come away with things and some days you don't. Now, there wasn't a lot on show at this particular store. This jug really caught my eye. There's no chips or cracks. It was actually really pretty. I love using jugs for flowers and obviously for juices or things. This caught my eye, but it was actually really expensive, so I left that one. So super quick haul of what we picked up. We got some books without their covers. They look so cool. I love the color of this brown and gold one. That is just stunning. We picked up a beautiful made in Japan ceramic jug, no chips, no cracks, in excellent condition. As always, I don't buy anything that is broken or chipped. I grabbed this little terracotta bowl. It's super cute. I love that it's matte and shiny like gloss. It's had a glaze on the inside, but it's also a little bit ribbed. I really like that it's just a little bit textural, but like super easy to use in styling. We picked up a lamp. I will be changing the shade, but I want to clean this up and see how that pops up. Love the square look of this. This was a bargain at $5. This big basket, awesome deal, great size, great condition. The color and texture in here looks like it is like a walnut. It is in really good condition. There's only a few nicks on this one. I could put feet on it and just sort of, there's so many things you could do. You could put bows and flowers, anyway. I think it's great. I'm a big fan. And I grabbed this bag, like some little tote thing. I have some, this can be like you could pop these down and pop a pot in it, which is really cute. Or you could put like summer towels and things, so that's cool. Really happy with that. And then I just got like fluff all over me. The other thing I grabbed was this big frame. I purely got it for the frame. And the intricate, beautiful little edging. I love that the color is like quite warm. It's not gold, it's not silver, but it's just really pretty. It's in great condition. This was $9. And I'm going to take the glass and the picture out, and I have an idea for this one. And then I have a couple of glass jars that I'm going to DIY, and I have an idea for those, so we will probably jump straight to that. DIY time. Now this one here is something I've been wanting to try to see if this Bin Zinzer primer will help paint stick to glass. I always find beautiful glass vases and jugs and things, but sometimes they're just the wrong color. So I really wanted to try and see if I could make a specific color vase for a project. I have a colorway that I would really like to do this, so I thought I would give it a go. Now I'm giving it 3 coats on the outside and 3 coats on the top half of the inside. I've used the Zinsser on like IKEA furniture and timber, but I haven't used it on glass just yet. So I really wanted to try this, and if it works, it definitely will open me up for a few other little projects that I have in mind. So I let it dry overnight, and let's get going to painting it a color. I checked it in the morning, it looked really good. I used my nails, I couldn't actually scratch the primer off, so I was like, this is a great sign. So let's get some color on here and see if it's going to hold and not scratch off. This has turned out amazing. I haven't put any sealer on it yet, but it is just awesome. The color paint does not scratch off. Even with my nails, it will hold water really safely. I can pop it up on a shelf and not worry that anything will leak. And I now get to have it in a specific color that I want it for a project. I'm so happy with this little DIY, and I can't wait to do so much more. Before styling, I do like to clean and dust everything just to make sure it's all clean, get all the price tags off. Now styling, this was fun. I just played around with basically what I purchased, a couple of little extras, and just really had to play. I love styling with timber trays and candles. Now the basket tote, that was actually really surprising. It was actually really strong. I popped a blanket in it and thought that was really cute. Then I popped a pillow in it, thought that was really cute. Just different textures, brings out different color tones. And then obviously with some books and some art, some greenery. Okay, so the big basket. This color is awesome. This could go with so many different colors. I decided to keep it fairly neutral. And once again, there is our DIY with the vase. The glass vase is awesome. I love it. Definitely check out the Zinsser primer if you're looking to do some DIYs. If you have loved watching this thrift with me episode, then I would love you to click on the next one, as I have a lot more hints and tips on what to look for when you're next thrifting. As always, I'd love you to subscribe and have a fabulous day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.